AITA told my wife to be careful of foil and microwave. Yesterday we had barbecue delivered for dinner. The delivery took a lot longer than usual and the food arrived a bit cold. My wife grabbed hers and went to microwave it. As she was going by me, I noticed foil under the wax paper and said, "Hey, watch out, there is foil in there." This was at the table. She had not yet made it to the kitchen. I said it as I noticed it and had sincere intentions, just trying to make sure she had noticed it. She feels like I was belittling her and degrading, making her feel like I didn't think she was smart enough to use the microwave safely. Not at all my intentions, and I feel bad about that, but my intentions do not change the way that she feels. Am I in a hole here?